Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Mazda CX-5 car battery. First, gather your tools like a 10mm wrench and a battery terminal cleaner. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid. These simple precautions are crucial before you begin any work on your car's electrical system. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Always start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Loosen the nut with your 10mm wrench and carefully remove the cable, tucking it away to prevent accidental contact. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Finally, remove any clamps holding the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Now, the connection order is important. Always connect the positive terminal first. Tighten the nut firmly with your wrench. Next, connect the negative terminal and ensure it's also tightly secured. This specific order helps prevent short circuits and ensures a safe installation. You're almost done. Apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to prevent future buildup. Double-check that all connections are tight and the battery is securely held down. Finally, close your hood and start your Mazda CX-5. If everything powers on correctly, you've successfully replaced your car battery. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.